So Gary, as an operator, talk to me about the truth behind the door as it is regarding the setup of your facility for smart units. What's important to you?
Well, it's got to be painless. It's got to be friction free. Everything's got to be as simple as possible. And that's certainly the way with the Storage Defender program. I don't have to install any of the technology. I don't have to plug anything into an outlet even, because you send the people out to install everything that's critical. And then I just have to install the actual devices in the storage units. And with the magnet on the back of it, it's about a 10-second install for us in the storage units is all. So, I mean, it can't get any easier than that. I never have to take those devices back out. They're just there. So, when you're trying to scale a business or even running one facility, the less pain, the less friction is always a benefit. Certainly, the part where we don't have to outfit the entire facility at one time, we can scale up and purchase more devices as we use them as a nice benefit too. But the painless, frictionless install process is wonderful with Storage Defender.